Hey everyone, it's the Derpy Block, and I have to talk about something. It's my cousin's YouTube channel. It's Bernie Cabillas, and then he might change it to the Diamond Sword. This is the
You
demon.
said might.
Yeah.
Might.
And then I said might, and then this is my cousin. He wants to make a YouTube channel, the Demon Warlock, but his iPad isn't up to it. Boy, you say that to me. And this is our
Tried to buff me, by the way.
this is this my cousin channel. He has little videos, and tell them what he said in a video, Demon Warlock.
He said he's gonna make videos better than us.
Yeah, we have better videos than him. He's saying he's gonna make better videos than us. We can't even hear his stinking words.
He's such a bragger.
No offense, but his brother's channels are better than his. And they don't even say words. You're going down, bro.
Down!
Yeah, you tell him.
Down to the ground!
By the
By the
way,
way-
watch my lightsaber putting together video.
Eat ice cream. Let's end it now.
No.
War.
No.
We're gonna start a war.
Let's say a little bit more about him. Yeah. If you see him, you might want to stay away from him if he has a broom, because tell them what happened.
Well, we were just playing a game. He thinks it's not a game.
Speak
then-
louder.
And then he took a broom and put it on me, on my mouth. It's disgusting.
Yeah, and he just took a shower too. So, stay away from him.
I was so pissed off.
If you're subscribed, unsubscribe to him. Oh yeah, also, it's my birthday. It's my birthday.
My birthday's coming soon.
Yeah.
September 11th.
Yeah.
Like Marks.
4 years after one of the deadliest terrorist attacks. What? What's happening?
I thought there was like a man
Oh,
with like a
knife.
yeah.
It's just a paintbrush, dude. I wanna go from factory. You wanna?
Sorry.
Oh my god, man.
You want some liquidy ice cream?
See ya.